To change fingerprint scanner icon display mode when the screen is off in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap biometric and then tap fingerprints. Do your current screen lock as the example. This one is using pattern as the current screen lock, so we need to draw the pattern in order we can change the setting of the fingerprints menu. When you set the fingerprint always on option to on, you can set how your phone will display the fingerprint scanner icon when the screen is off. To do so, tap show icon when the screen is off. Here you are provided with three options. First, always on display. Select this option to show the fingerprint scanner icon on your always on display. However, it will depend on how you set your always on display. When you set it to show always, then the fingerprint scanner icon will always be displayed too, along with your always on display. Second, tap to show. Select this option to show the fingerprint scanner icon each time you tap the screen when the screen is off. Never. Select this option. Select this option to hide the fingerprint scanner icon when the screen is off. However, it won't affect on how you can use your fingerprint. You will still be able to scan your fingerprint. All you need to do is just placing your fingerprint in the area where the fingerprint scanner icon is used to be displayed. As the example, we will select tap to show. To see how this setting works, turn off the screen. Tap the screen. You can see that your phone will display the fingerprint scanner icon to help you easily scan your fingerprint to unlock your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.